The relations between the Philippines and Russia is there's still a need to improve in the sense that there's uh, there's also the relations functional cooperation is doing very well, but there's still a need to improve. And I think as a result of this meeting between President Marcos and President Putin, then there might be an impetus for further improvement of relations. Let me start. Mag-umpisa lang ako sa pinakaimportante sa ating sitwasyon is actually that of energy security. Alam niyo naman pinag-usapan yan during the last retreat and at the same time during sa meeting, sa first summit rather in Cebu, pinag-usapan yan. And then there's also food security. Now, food security, ang pinaka-importante dito is our need for fertilizers. And I think Russia can provide us with the much needed fertilizer na kailangan natin. Nandun din yung mga issues on people-to-people relationship, mga academic scholarships na binibigay nila sa atin. Meron din diyang mga issues concerning mga products and pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, at marami pang involved on science and technology. So, isa lang to sa mga maraming napag-usapan at definitely kung ano man ang kahihinatnan itong mga issues na to is something that's very important for our people, no? Trade again meron siguro mga konting constraints pero meron din namang paraan para magkaroon ng continuous trade relations. The Russian government has the highest respect for the Philippines, particularly sa sitwasyon natin na tayo ngayon nag-chair ng ASEAN. And that is the reason we are here sa Kazan for the 35th commemorative summit meeting dahil importante si Presidente nandito dahil siya ang chair ng ASEAN and makikita mo naman sa dynamics nila ni President Putin that they have a very good co-chairing of the ASEAN meeting. President Marcos' visit to Russia is of vital importance. One, as I said, is not only the chair of ASEAN for 2026. Second, it's also trying to establish and reconnecting yung ating in terms of bilateral relations. And probably the third point is certain discussions on regional issues. Meron din mga napag-usapan tungkol the Middle East crisis at the same time on certain issues on Ukraine.